Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Missybeelondon. I have just finished washing my hair with Africa's Best Originals Coconut Cream Moisturizing Shampoo, and now you're going to see how I apply the Africa's Best Organics Hair Mayonnaise in my hair. For the purpose of this video, I sectioned my hair into 4 sections because I want to make this video look a bit nicer than to just whack the product on my hair like you've seen on previous videos. But I must admit, by doing it this way, it took longer. Here you go, I'm showing the tub right now, and the tub is in front of me doing the voiceover, and it is finished. Oh yes, it's lasted 3 hair wash days, or 3 hair treatment days, shall I say, because the reason why I am using the hair mayonnaise is because my hair is going through many things. If you saw my previous video about why my natural hair is not growing, I think that's the title, I'll put the picture in this video so you can see what I'm talking about, because off my head now I can't remember the title of this video. Let me go with my phone right now. I should know it off my head, but I've got a bad brain, so I just use that excuse for not knowing the title for videos, because sometimes I change the titles for YouTube videos as well. And I found it. Why is my natural hair breaking? Type 4 hair struggles, short hair. Yes, that's the title. So as you can see, I've sectioned my hair into smaller parts and applying the product to my hair. For this video, you'll need crocodile clips. That's the name of these clips, the orange clips in my hair. Crocodile clips, good hands, and of course the hair mayonnaise. Yeah. But let me continue talking about why am I using hair mayonnaise, because I said in the previous video, it's been going on for a while. My hair has not been the best from since summertime, I think May, June, July, but I'm noticing it's getting a little bit better. But I know it's because of other physical things that are going on with me. Stress, I have a bad knee, not eating the best, not being able to like keep fit or increase my fitness ability, because I can't do much with a bad knee, with my knee hurting, sleeping on my back as well. All these things contribute to my hair just being a bit weird, lacking in nutrients, because I had a break from taking supplements, my cod liver oil, my vitamin B, because when I ran out, I stopped. I didn't buy any more because I was on low budget, so I had to pay for food than to pay for supplements, even though later on I got the cod liver oil and the vitamin C. I didn't find vitamin B in Poundland, but I found the other 2 in Poundland, so I could continue taking them. And when I've got a bit of good money, I can shop in Holland and Barrett for the good quality supplements. But right now I've got to prioritize because I'm on a financial budget. But yeah, look, my hair is halfway done already. But yes, hair mayonnaise. Why did I choose hair mayonnaise? Because I have type 4 hair. I have low porosity hair. My hair doesn't like a lot of protein, so I can't just go out and buy a protein treatment because it ain't gonna like it. It's gonna break and everything. I was looking into getting a henna, but then I wasn't sure about where to get the good henna. I got one from an Indian shop, but I wasn't sure about it, so I didn't use it. You got to make sure you know about it before you use it as well. So I just got the easy thing, hair mayonnaise, even though I could have made a DIY with egg and mayo and other ingredients, because I just want life to be easy. I just use this. Inside this hair mayo is, of course, egg protein, vitamins, olive oil, natural botanical herbal extracts, and it's kind of like since it's organic, it has natural ingredients plus a couple more ingredients, but the base is that egg is natural protein. It's not too hard. It's not too harsh on my hair. I can use it regular, which I have been for the past 3 hair wash days. I've used this product in my hair, this tub, which I've just finished now. I'm gonna buy some more and everything. But yeah, my hair is a bit stronger, but I think again, because I took long to trim my hair in June, I need to cut more off my hair as well, because the ends are still knotty. It's knotty to comb through. It's knotty when I glide my fingers across the strand, I can actually feel knots on the strand, and it's like, what is going on with my hair right now? Why are you doing this to me right now? I've literally got to trim my hair or cut my hair again, which I will eventually do. If not late September, it will be October, and I'm thinking I might go to someone to cut my hair this time, because that past video when I was cutting my hair, I didn't enjoy doing that either. But yeah, I'm rambling on about my hair struggles and dramas. Let's continue watching my video. And yes, we're on the last section of this video as well. I mean, I like the way it makes my, you know, because usually when I put this in my hair, I don't really watch, you know, I ain't got the mirror in front of me when I put product in my hair. I just do it off camera, off the mirror. But actually watching how this product really makes my curls pop, literally makes my curls pop. And I leave this on, you're supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes, but I left it on for more than 10 minutes. I put a plastic bag on my head and I wrapped a towel over my head. I didn't use any heat for this one, but I use heat to deep condition my hair. Look, nearly finished. But yeah, I've enjoyed using this, and I thought let me share using the hair mayo as well, because it's something different and it's been something that I've enjoyed implementing into my hair wash day routine. So I thought let me share. Have you used it before? Let me know. Oh, look at that, I'm gliding it through. Look at that, it's just easy to glide through. Can you believe that? Than the struggle of combing through my hair and the knots at the end. I mean, look at that. If only my hair was like this all the time, but it's not. Sadly, it's not, and it's so annoying. This was recording in September, just to let you know. Even though they should come out soon, but know me, I'll take my time and upload this or make it public. But yeah, look at me again. It's the thing, when I'm recording and I've got the mirror there, I get distracted by the mirror that I kind of lose focus on what I'm supposed to be doing as well. But you know, I can't help it, yeah, literally. That's why I've been doing a lot of hair videos off camera, and plus because of my hair struggles, and plus because it was summertime and it was hot and I couldn't deal with all these other things going on, plus recording as well. So I apologize for there not being a lot of hair videos, but I'll be coming back soon when the season starts to get cooler. There's the plastic cap on my head, or whatever you call it, because I don't know, because I don't really use these ones regular. I usually use a carrier bag, but I thought I've got this, and let me just use this as well. And I can reuse this because I washed it with just normal tap water, or rinsed it with tap water, make sure all the product is off it, let it dry, and I can reuse it again. But yeah, and I said normal speed because I thought let me just make it normal for this section of the video as well. And we're getting close to the end. Look at how I wrap this towel on my head. It's so funny. Literally so funny. I'm laughing at myself right now because there's nothing else to do than to watch this video. And I'm happy that, you know, sometimes when you wrap a towel along your head, it doesn't work. It worked. Thank goodness for that. I'm just messing around, waiting for 10 minutes to pass by, then I can take it off. Yay. It's so white that this camera's making it look a bit odd as well, but hey, what can I do? Yes, I'm about to take it off now. Look, I'm taking it off. You know, things never sometimes don't go right when you're recording, but thank goodness this is all going good. Yeah, taking this shower cap, that's what it's called, a shower cap, innit? I don't know what it's called, my brain is bad. Look at it, I don't know what that was, but yeah, look, I know my hair looks so short, shrinkage kicks in, and when I trim my hair again it's gonna be shorter. But you know what, I want health more than length right now, so this is what I gotta do, innit? Simple. What are your hair struggles right now? What are the good things you're using in your hair right now? Give me some tips. What tips do you do? what has been your recent hair battle right now? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, let me know. What am I doing now? Oh, I'm showing it to the camera again. I'm not a psychic yet. I recorded this video like a couple of days ago. I can't remember what I was thinking then. I'm watching now, but yeah, there you go. The camera picked up here, but I thought put the image at the side so you can see it as well. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna leave things here because we're getting close to the end, and I'm gonna say thank you for watching, and hopefully this was useful. Look at my hair. I'm just looking at I'm amazed at how coily my hair is. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. If you're new, subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments down below. Stay tuned for more hair videos coming back soon. Be good, look after yourself. Thank you for watching. Look at this end bit. What am I trying to do? But I'm gonna go. Bye bye.